What's up, guys? If you've been following this build for a while, then I'm sure you might be just a little invested in it, and if you're not, well, maybe today will change that. We are going to be giving away 10 of these for free. They are keychains that have the silhouette of the Porsche 996 Slantnose that we've been building lasered into it. But the kicker is that they're actually panels that we cut from this vehicle. Now, I've gotten many comments on TikTok and Instagram also of people requesting that we sell parts off this vehicle because they're so invested in this build that they want to have it at home to do whatever it is that you weirdos want to do with it. Entry to the giveaway is extremely easy. If you're already subscribed to our channel, you're already entered, and if you're not, subscribing to the channel will get you an entry. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and then we will go through the entire list and randomly select 10 of you to receive one of these for free. And you can be living anywhere in the world, so this is not region locked in any way whatsoever. This giveaway really helps us because it'll help us get our watch hours up, and higher watch hours means that we'll be able to actually make a little bit of money off of our content, which we'll then be able to use to fund this project and other projects, along with being able to film it so you can enjoy the progress. Now, we've been given a bunch of really cool equipment that we're going to use to make these keychains, and I'm going to show you guys this process right now. So what we're using is the Atom Stack A10 Pro. They so graciously sent it to us to try out, and well, we're making full use out of it. It looks like the panel that we were lasering is already ready to go, so let's take a look at it. Okay, looks pretty good. So what we did is we used the program that came for free with the laser. I plotted out 9 of them. You can see on the screen here, actually. I plotted out 9 of them to millimeter spec to what they needed to be and then put a box around them. So then we have a guide to cut them. After the panels are cut, we slide them into the 3D printed frames that we made out of PETG. We're printing these with the Creality Ender 3 S1. It's a 3D printer that has auto bed leveling, direct drive extrusion, etc. You can find more information about that in the description below, along with the 10% off code. Now that this frame is done, Tony's gonna explain the rest.
Hey Ryan, got that piece?
Yep.
So now we gotta cut out these pieces so we can fit them into our frames. To make the keychains just as special as the car they represent, Ryan and I are going to initial the backs of each one of them. To give you a better idea what the Slantnose is, I'm going to go over a few key points and features of the car. So this is our 996 Slantnose project. We've been calling it the Slantnose because that's where the inspiration started, but in a lot of ways it resembles a 935 more than the 930 Slantnose itself. We've also taken some key features from the GT1 styling, as that is the era that the 996 came out of. The most obvious thing we've done is to remove the headlights and chop off the top of the fenders, just like they did on the original Slantnose. Another thing we've done is to add these hand-hammered louvers in the style of the iconic 930, 935 fenders. And then we've taken a 997 GT3 front bumper and molded it into the body lines that we've created for the Slantnose. We've also ditched the pop-up headlights from the original. We're a little sad about that too, but we've added really low profile LED headlights that almost disappear into the bodywork when it's finished. As we move back, we can see the wide rear fenders and the GT1 inspired functional front air scoop. At the tail end, our rear quarter picks up the contours from the GT3 wing and extends them to the outside body line of the car. We also have space for air to exit from that functional front scoop. You guys have been bugging us, here it is. Final push, we gotta get this car ready. In 2 months, it's gotta be at Hershey for the PCA's swap meet on April 30th. And again, we'll be in Carlisle just 2 weeks later for their Import Nationals, May 13th through the 15th.
And don't forget to subscribe, because 10 lucky subscribers will win one of these bad boys. So what are you waiting for? Drop a sub, and we'll catch you guys at Swap Meet and at Carlisle Import Nationals. Can somebody get me the stool, because I do not want to do that here again. Oh, perfect, thank you. Thank you, sir. A nice round surface.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, I didn't know this is great. Everybody wins. You guys get keychains, I get my flashlight back. Winners will be drawn February 28th, which is this Monday, so make sure you subscribe quickly because you will be finding out if you won very shortly. Later, guys.